Good morning, all of you. Welcome once again. Uh, Yesterday we have done some portion from the prescription chapter, right? From the prescription chapter. That is, this portion we have already done in your previous lecture, right? Definitions, then part of prescription, right? So, in today's lecture, we will discuss about the handling of prescription, right? Handling of prescription, how to handle our prescription by the pharmacist, right? So today we will discuss this portion, right? Okay, let's begin, right? So today's topic is handling of prescription. That is, pharmacists should go through following steps when they will have handled prescription for compounding and dispensing, right? That is, compounding and dispensing. First of all, I have to tell you, that is, compounding, the simple meaning of compounding is making, right? That is making. And the simple meaning of dispensing is to deliver, right? To deliver or to give, right? That is the dispensing. Okay, means the pharmacist should go through following steps when they will have handled prescription for compounding and dispensing, right? Means pharmacist should adopt this kind of process when they compounding and dispensing, right? There is a fourth step which is necessary to follow by the pharmacist, right? When he will doing compounding and dispensing, right? The first step is receiving, second step is reading and checking, then third step is collecting and weighing the material, and the fourth step is compounding, labeling and packaging. I know you are familiar with these words, right? Receiving, reading, checking, collecting, weighing, right? Compounding, labeling, packaging, right? Receiving means to take, right? To take, right? Reading means reading, that is checking, in screening, also known as screening, then collecting, weighing. Okay, so we will discuss these steps thoroughly. Okay, then our first step is receiving, right? So it is necessary that the pharmacist himself should receive prescription from patient. Then during this, pharmacist don't change his or her facial expression, otherwise patient will think that he or she is confused or surprised after seeing the prescription, right? Therefore patient will get a negative impression by pharmacist, right? Means this portion says or saying, whenever the pharmacist, means it is necessary that the pharmacist should receive the prescription from patient, right? The pharmacist himself should receive the prescription, right, from the patient. During the receiving the prescription, the pharmacist don't change his or her facial expression, right? During receiving this prescription by the pharmacist, he don't change his or her facial expression. Otherwise patient will think that that particular pharmacist are confused, right, or surprised after seeing the prescription. That's why the patient will get may chances of getting negative impression by pharmacist. That's why the patient may get a negative effect or lose their confidence about prescription, right? So it is necessary that whenever receiving the prescription, pharmacist don't change his or her facial expression, right? So in this section we learn that the prescription should be received by pharmacist himself, right? And during receiving, pharmacist should not change his or her facial expression, right? Otherwise the patient will get lose his face confidence, right? The next is reading and checking, right? Reading and checking. Reading is reading and checking is a screening, right? After taking a prescription, read it carefully and check it that either written in proper format or not, that is doctor's pad or OPD slip of particular hospital or nursing home. Along with this, check date, name, age of patient and signature of prescriber. Always prescription should check behind the counter. If pharmacist trouble in reading or any doubt with prescribed ingredients or direction, immediately the pharmacist should consult to prescriber, right? If prescription received on telephone by senior pharmacist or doctor, in this case the name of ingredient properly verified by repeating on phone, because nowadays number of drugs with almost same pronunciation or spelling are available in market. For example, Moxikind MR, Dolokind MR, then prednisone and prednisolone, right? So let's know the meaning of this, right? So in second steps, reading and checking, there is a describing pharmacist read the prescription carefully and understand carefully, right? And check out the either the prescription written in proper format or not, that is on डॉक्टर पैड और ओपीडी स्लिप ऑफ पर्टिकुलर हॉस्पिटल और नर्सिंग होम, ठीक है? मतलब फार्मासिस्ट को केयरफुली रीड करना चाहिए प्रिस्क्रिप्शन को और उसे चेक करना चाहिए कि जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है वो प्रॉपरली डॉक्टर पैड में और ओपीडी स्लिप में लिखा हुआ है या नहीं, ठीक है? तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन चेक करना चाहिए. देन अलॉन्ग विथ इसी के साथ अलॉन्ग विथ इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू चेक डेट, नेम, एज ऑफ पेशेंट एंड सिग्नेचर ऑफ डॉक्टर, राइट? तो ओपीडी स्लिप में या फिर डॉक्टर्स पैड में लिखा हुआ है या नहीं, ये तो चेक करना है. उसी के साथ चेक करना है कि प्रॉपरली नाम लिखा है या नहीं, प्रॉपरली पेशेंट का एज है या नहीं, और जो सिग्नेचर है वो प्रॉपरली डॉक्टर का है या नहीं. तो ये सब भी चेक करना है, ठीक है? बट ड्यूरिंग द रिसीविंग, the pharmacist should check the prescription behind counter, right? मतलब जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है उसे रिसीव करने के बाद उसे चेक करना चाहिए बिहाइंड द काउंटर, ठीक है? इफ pharmacist trouble in reading or any doubt with prescribing ingredient or direction. ठीक है. If suppose pharmacist has a difficulty to reading or have any doubt regarding the prescribed ingredient or direction. सपोज करो कि फार्मासिस्ट को कुछ रीड करते हुए, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन रीड करते हुए तकलीफ जा रही है या फिर कंफ्यूज है जो इंग्रेडिएंट लिखा है उसमें या फिर जो डायरेक्शन है उसमें, अगर कंफ्यूजन है तो देन it will necessary that the pharmacist immediately contact to doctor, right? The pharmacist immediately contact to doctor. ठीक है. तो इस कंडीशन में जो फार्मासिस्ट है उसे डॉक्टर के साथ कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. ओके. देन if prescription received on telephone or mobile by a senior pharmacist or doctor, in case if the prescription received, right, if in case the pharmacist received a prescription from senior officer by telephone or mobile, right, in such a condition the name of ingredient should be properly verified by repeating on phone, right. मतलब ये जो कंडीशन में अगर कौन सा भी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन टेलीफोन से रिसीव करता है बाय सीनियर डॉक्टर और फार्मासिस्ट, तब जाके फार्मासिस्ट को जो नेम है इंग्रेडिएंट्स का उसे वेरीफाई कर लेना चाहिए बाय रिपीटिंग द नेम ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट, राइट. because it is necessary, because nowadays number of drugs with almost same pronunciation or spelling are available in market, because nowadays number of drugs are available in market, right, with the same pronunciation or spelling. That's why there is a much chances of happening confusion, right, if we not verified the name of ingredient. If this case happening in or the prescription received by telephone, right. For example, there is some name of drug or brand name which is already available in market, see, with a similar pronunciation or spelling, right, that is Moxikind MR, Dolokind MR. There is a difference of 2 or 4 alphabet, right. Almost they are similar pronunciation as well as spelling also, right. That is prednisone or prednisolone, right. This is a marketed product. These are the different product but has a similar pronunciation along with spelling, right. Hence there is a chances of happening confusion, right. That's why it is very necessary to cross check, right.